shadow clicked.
Going into it right there. Let's see if we can get a better one.
Oh, move your hand.
Oh, sorry.
Let me see. Let's see this kind of umbilical cord going to the heart with a lot of blood flow in it.
Yeah.
I wonder if we can
Is that
open
it
this
right
a little bit bigger. I'll make that bigger. What's this?
Zoom in? Or no?
No. Oh, no. Okay, so that's a zoom. So you see, that's what I thought was the girl, was the umbilical cord.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah, and then move that around. Okay, what I need to do is I need to move this so that it goes into it better. Spine.
Wow.
Come
That's
on,
cool.
come on, but I think you turned around on me. Let's get rid of this color for a second. Okay.
Oh, that's that.
Hold on. Oh man, wrong way.
That looks like a penis,
That
right?
looks like a penis to
Yeah.
me, my friend. That looks like a little
Yeah,
penis
that
to
does.
me. It
Peanut
doesn't look
right
it doesn't
there.
look like a girl, so
Right.
I think if I had to bet, I would say it would be a boy.
Oh, dang.
You know, if I had to bet, I would say it's a boy. I think that's a little penis. Let's see if we can see it better. Come on, man, come on. So this is a little bit of luck. Some. I'm just being shy.
It's like, no more looking.
No more looking.